Welcome back, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 42, NASDAQ off 14, S&P's down 5. Let's go over to our man, Mr. Jack Gleason, as we do each and every Thursday at 40 past the hour. You can reach Jack every trading day, folks, at MajorLeagueTrading.com. Jack is coming to us live from beautiful Costa Rica.
Gotta love it.
Jack Gleason, what's going on, brother?
What's going on, guys?
Look at you.
Another beautiful day in paradise over here with pretty active markets. Man, since I saw you guys last, what a rally we had on that Friday to follow that up. And today, I sent over you 3 charts. I got the S&P, gold, and oil. And I decided to take them out on the higher time frame. So, you know, these charts could still be in play by next week. Normally, I've been sending you guys charts, and they're on the smaller time frame, and it's like those trades are either shifting because we're making new highs or lows. So I decided to pull out on the time frame here and show you guys a couple of trades that I'm looking at. So tell me where you want to begin, and we'll start shooting it off.
How about the S&P? We got your charts. We got the S&P up there.
Okay, cool. So that S&P high to high draw. This is really where I'm paying attention to. We have completed. On that initial rally pullback that we had out of basically, the Christmas Eve lows, we've completed a negative 61% Fibonacci upside target at 2583, and we saw that yesterday. There was a little bit of a resistance. So I'm looking at a high-to-high sequence here, which is the beginning of that day's high, and there's 2 levels I'm going to watch that are going to be really important. I'd like to see them trade today. I do think we're going to have a little bit more of a choppy market here today. You know, it's been up, like 3 days, 4 days in a row now. I want to see a pullback down into 2 different levels. We have 25.5275, which would be a 38% retracement of that the high of the day when we first started the rally, and then the 50% retracement is really a solid level that I'm looking for. That's 25.39. That is one of those trades where you see a lot of people kind of get faked out to the downside, and if we do end up trading that level, that my target on that level coincidentally lines up with the full 50% retracement short, which is a level that we need to be aware of if we continue to rally. That level is up at 26.25. So that is from the 2017 high back in 2018 high back in September. To the low, that 50% retracement we're going to want to watch. That level is 26.25.
Yeah, no, I can see that for sure. Yeah, so pretty cool. I mean, we got a 2-sided market. There's no doubt about that, man.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm everywhere, man. It's awesome. I'm loving this market.
Oh, it's wild, man. So we got gold up there. Speaking of runs, man, lots of action on this gold chart. Talk to us about this one.
Been sitting on this, negative 61.8% profit target. Now, if we hold the low that we have so far this year, my next target is going to be 13.13. Okay. If it breaks, my next support is 12.73. So it's going to be one of those 2 situations where they're going to take out the low, trade down to 12.73, or continue up with the strength that we've seen, and then rotate up the 13.13 profit target there for gold.
Nice. And the dollar, of course, that had a large move downtown yesterday, which is what gold's all about. That's so. Next, what do we have next here?
Oil, baby.
Okay, oil. Talk to us about oil.
Yeah, nice big reversal. Good. I mean, it's kind of been trading like the S&P has. So this is a more zoomed in chart, so you can see really where I'm drawing these Fibonacci's, where there's a little more detail here. The hourly highs of that reversal day that we had, I'm looking at that high drawn to the current high. And this actually held earlier in this week. Going into Monday, we were holding the same sequence, and it's fully hit all of its profit targets at this point. The 2 levels I'm looking for below, 50.45 and 49.75. I really like 49.75 because it lines up with that previous high that we broke out of.
Yeah, I can see that, right.
Yeah, so those I got my alerts there. I'm going to be looking for some swing trade setups. But I do think oil's finally made, in all of that move down that we made in oil, it's going to be pretty easy to, once that trend flips, oil's, the true commodity. It's like, the thing just runs. It's been running for a long time. It runs bulls, it runs bears, and it's a great trending market.
Nice.
Pretty wild that we're up from what, $43, trading at 52. You're talking about $9, 20% in a commodity like oil that's just a mammoth across the globe, man.
And do the other side of it, October 2nd, it was at 76.
I agree. The moves, just mind-blowing, man.
Oh, man.
Seriously.
You got to love it. You got to love it. Hey, so we've been talking to your compadres in Chicago, and you're really happy that you're not there because everyone...
It's a little chilly over there right now.
They're telling us, man, how cold it is, Jack.
Oh man, it's funny. I get on here, I'm like, should I dress a little more appropriate? But it's just too hot. I walked down to the beach this morning about 6 a.m. and took a little stroll. But yeah, I'm very glad I'm here. I need to kick the air conditioning on here real soon because it's about 80 degrees outside right now.
Yeah, well, we're Floridians, man, coming from Boston, so we can relate to it for sure.
Totally. Well, listen, man, you have a great week, safe week, and of course, we look forward to speaking to you next Thursday, Jack.
You too, guys. Take care, and thanks for having me on.
Thanks for the update, man.
And you can check out Jack, folks, at MajorLeagueTrading.com. Market-wise out here, bottom line, you almost got a flat market. You know, Dow's down 3, Dow's down 30, Nasdaq is down 11, S&Ps are down 3.
Gotten quite a little pop from those lows.
Yeah. You know, if we go, let's just go overseas for a second, see what we have happening there. So Europe right now, you know, bottom line mixed market. You get the FTSE up 0.2%. DAX is flat. CAT's down 0.4%.
Just to put in, so that's the last full year. Year to date, there's going to be big numbers, man, when you look at it and then put it in dollars, of course. Quite a start to the year for our markets and across the board. You know, just quite a pop in the first few trading days.
Yeah, you
get NASDAQ up almost 5%.
NASDAQ's an animal, isn't it?
It is.
It really is. It's pretty amazing. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We have the Dow Industrials down 15, NASDAQ off 6, S&P's down 2. Tommy and I come right back.